This video showcases how to strengthen your Google account's security and make your account secure against any phishing or other credential hijacking attempts. Sign in to your Google account. Select Security and Sign in on the side panel. Scroll down to You can add more sign-in options and choose Passkeys and Security Keys. Select Create a passkey. If you get a window saying a passkey can't be created on this device, select Use another device. On the pop-up window, either create a PIN if you haven't set one before, or enter your PIN, then press the button on your key. After you have added security key as an authentication method, signing in is simple and secure. All you have to do is enter your email or click on your signed out account and click Continue. On the prompt, enter your PIN and press the button to sign in.